Hello students, welcome to your WebSeek Academy English channel. Today, we will discuss the biography of Kalpana Chawla, which is part of the first semester BCA English syllabus. About Kalpana Chawla. On 17th March 1961, Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, a proud daughter of India. She finished her education in India and abroad. Kalpana Chawla has always loved learning and exploring the universe. She was the first female astronaut of Indian descent. Kalpana Chawla moved to America, was chosen for the NASA group in 1994, and in 1997, as a mission specialist, rode aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia for 15 days and 12 hours. She received numerous awards, certificates, and scholarships. Along with the SRS-107 crew of 7, Kalpana Chawla was chosen for the second mission. She took a space shuttle flight to space for a second time after the mission was over. Columbia spent 16 days there conducting research before returning to Earth on 1st February 2003, but a tragedy caused her to perish along with the other crew members. Kalpana Chawla is an inspiration for many to become an astronaut. Biography of Kalpana Chawla summary. The biography highlights Kalpana Chawla's inspiring journey from a modest background in rural Punjab to becoming a globally recognized astronaut and space scientist at NASA. Her story is a testament to courage, perseverance, and determination. Kalpana Chawla was born in 1961 in Karnal, Haryana, into a family that valued hard work and resilience. Her father's family had migrated from Pakistan after partition. Growing up in an environment that stressed determination and effort, Kalpana developed a strong work ethic early on. Despite societal norms in Karnal that placed little emphasis on girls' education, Kalpana's family supported academic excellence for all their children. Her mother, Sanjyoti, encouraged her to pursue her passions and never give up. Kalpana attended Tagore Bal Niketan School, which, though modest, had dedicated teachers who played a significant role in shaping her early development. Kalpana was a shy but energetic and adventurous child with a love for learning and exploration. She displayed early signs of determination and creativity, excelling academically and engaging in activities like organizing picnics. Her fascination with aircraft began in childhood, inspired by watching planes and crafting aeroplane models during school. Kalpana's curiosity about the cosmos began on summer nights when she gazed at the star-studded sky, igniting her fascination with space. By the time she graduated from school, she had decided to become an aerospace engineer. After completing her pre-degree studies, Kalpana joined Punjab Engineering College, PEC, choosing aeronautical engineering despite opposition from her family and advice from faculty to choose more traditional fields. She became the sole female student in her class and excelled, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to her goals. At PEC, Kalpana thrived academically while also engaging in extracurricular activities like sports and the college's Aero and Astro Society. Her dedication to her studies laid a strong foundation for her future as a space scientist. Kalpana pursued her higher education in the United States, enrolling at the University of Texas at Arlington in 1982. Despite initial challenges in a foreign environment, she adapted quickly, earning recognition for her academic excellence and determination. In 1983, Kalpana married Jean-Pierre Harrison, a French-American, and later shifted to Colorado to pursue her PhD in aerospace engineering. Her ability to make bold decisions, such as switching her discipline mid-program, showcased her clarity of purpose. After completing her PhD in 1988, Kalpana joined NASA Ames Research Center. Her work included advanced research on airflow around aircraft and addressing challenges faced by astronauts in space. She also pursued her passion for Bharatanatyam, reflecting her multifaceted personality. In 1994, Kalpana was selected as an astronaut candidate by NASA, a testament to her exceptional capabilities and years of hard work. She prepared rigorously for the role, including improving her public speaking skills, and was eventually inducted into NASA's 15th batch of astronauts. Kalpana's first spaceflight occurred in November 1997 as part of the Columbia Shuttle's STS-87 mission. As a mission specialist and robotic arm operator, she performed a variety of tasks, including conducting scientific experiments and assisting with shuttle operations. The experience reinforced her sense of responsibility toward the planet's environment. Despite her achievements, Kalpana remained grounded, maintaining ties with her friends and educational institutions. She sponsored programs to inspire young students, exemplifying her commitment to giving back to society. Kalpana continued to rise in her career, eventually being selected for her second space mission aboard Columbia's STS-107 in 2003. The mission involved critical research on microgravity and life sciences. Tragically, on 1 February 2003, the Columbia shuttle disintegrated during re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, resulting in the loss of all 7 crew members, including Kalpana. Her untimely demise was a profound loss to her family, nation, and the world. Kalpana Chawla's life exemplifies brilliance, humanity, and an indomitable spirit. She leaves behind a legacy of inspiring others to dream big, work relentlessly, and overcome challenges, embodying the extraordinary potential of human determination. Short answer questions. 1. What was the special advantage that Kalpana Chawla's school had? Answer. Her school had an open environment that encouraged curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. 2. Why were her parents so apprehensive about Chawla attending undergraduate college? Answer. They were concerned about her moving away from home and pursuing a field not traditionally chosen by women at the time. 3. What did her decision to switch disciplines mid-PhD reveal about Chawla? Answer. It demonstrated her willingness to take risks and follow her passion for space exploration, even if it meant starting afresh. 4. Which of these tasks was not part of Chawla's responsibilities on board Columbia's STS-87 flight? Answer. To oversee the commander and pilot. 5. Kalpana Chawla's choosing to continue as an astronaut even after having the choice to transition to the ground crew was a mark of her. Answer. Curiosity and thirst for exploration. 6. Kalpana Chawla supported her school by. Answer. Providing scholarships and motivating students to pursue their dreams through her inspirational achievements. Answer each of the following questions in about 1 page. 1. Examine one instance in Kalpana's life which exhibited her ability to overcome adverse conditions. Answer. Kalpana Chawla's decision to pursue her studies in aerospace engineering at Punjab Engineering College, PEC, in Chandigarh is a striking example of her ability to overcome adverse conditions. Coming from a conservative family in Karnal, her aspiration to study aeronautical engineering was met with resistance. The idea of sending her out of her hometown was unsettling for her family. Furthermore, when she joined PEC, her choice of aeronautical engineering as a specialization raised concerns among her professors and peers, as it was not considered a lucrative or conventional choice for students, especially for women. Despite these challenges, Kalpana stood firm in her resolve. She became the only female student in her class of 8, demonstrating tremendous courage and determination. Her perseverance paid off as she not only excelled in her studies but also laid the foundation for her remarkable career in aerospace engineering. This instance highlights Kalpana's ability to defy societal expectations and follow her dreams, a quality that remained a defining characteristic throughout her life. 2. What kind of work did Kalpana Chawla do at the NASA Ames Research Center in California and at Overset Methods in Silicon Valley? Answer. At the NASA Ames Research Center in California, Kalpana Chawla was involved in advanced research focused on the simulation of complex airflows around aircraft. Her work included studying the aerodynamics of aircraft such as the Harrier in-ground effect. This involved creating simulations to understand how aircraft behave during low-altitude operations, which was crucial for the design and safety of such planes. Later, at Overset Methods in Silicon Valley, Kalpana served as vice president and research scientist, a role that highlighted her technical expertise. Her work there included developing and implementing aerodynamic optimization techniques. She also researched the effects of microgravity on the human body, aiming to address issues astronauts face during space travel. These roles underscored her significant contributions to the field of aerospace engineering, showcasing her blend of innovation, technical skill, and commitment to pushing boundaries in her discipline. 3. Write a short note on Kalpana Chawla's experiences as an astronaut. Answer. Kalpana Chawla's experiences as an astronaut were a blend of scientific achievement and personal fulfillment. Her first mission aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 was a landmark event, as she became the first woman of Indian origin to travel into space. As a mission specialist, she conducted experiments in diverse fields such as physics, chemistry, and space sciences. She also operated the shuttle's robotic arm to launch and retrieve satellites, showcasing her technical proficiency and versatility. During her missions, Kalpana was deeply moved by the sight of Earth from space, reflecting on its vulnerability and the importance of preserving the environment. Her second mission aboard the Columbia in 2003 was equally significant, involving research on microgravity and its effects. Although this mission ended tragically with the disintegration of the shuttle, Kalpana's contributions to space exploration remain a testament to her passion, dedication, and pioneering spirit. 4. Describe Kalpana Chawla, not as a NASA representative, but as a human being. Answer. Kalpana Chawla, beyond her role as an astronaut, was an extraordinary human being known for her humility, determination, and kindness. She valued relationships and maintained close ties with her family, friends, and mentors despite her busy life at NASA. Kalpana's quiet confidence and steadfast resolve to pursue her dreams reflected her inner strength and clarity of purpose. She was deeply appreciative of her roots and took every opportunity to give back to society. For instance, she initiated a program for students from her school to visit NASA, inspiring them to dream big. Her passion extended beyond her professional life. She loved dancing and pursued Bharatanatyam even amidst her hectic schedule. Kalpana's ability to balance her personal and professional life while staying true to her values made her an inspiring figure not only for her accomplishments but also for her warmth and humanity. 5. How, in your opinion, does Kalpana Chawla serve as a role model for girls and women around the world? Answer. Kalpana Chawla serves as a beacon of inspiration for girls and women worldwide by exemplifying how determination, hard work, and resilience can break barriers. Coming from a small town in India, she defied societal norms and gender stereotypes to become a trailblazer in aerospace engineering and space exploration. Her journey from Karnal to NASA highlights her grit and perseverance, proving that no dream is too big irrespective of one's background. Kalpana's life teaches young women to pursue their passions with unwavering commitment. Her ability to balance her professional success with personal fulfillment, her humility, and her efforts to inspire others to make her a role model. She not only achieved greatness but also uplifted others by creating opportunities and sharing her experiences, leaving behind a legacy that encourages women to aim for the stars, both literally and figuratively. Answer each of the following questions in about 2 pages. 1. Kalpana was a loyal friend who believed in lasting relationships, and she steadfastly stood by people she had been close to at different times in her life. Justify this statement using instances from her biography. Answer. Kalpana Chawla was a person who valued relationships deeply and nurtured them throughout her life, demonstrating loyalty and steadfastness toward those she cared about. Despite her demanding career and remarkable achievements, she remained grounded and kept in touch with her friends, family, and mentors. One significant example of her loyalty was her relationship with her school teachers and mentors in India. Even after she moved to the United States and achieved global fame, she would often communicate with her former teachers and express gratitude for their influence on her life. She invited her school principal to attend her space shuttle launch, a gesture that highlighted her respect for her roots and the people who had shaped her early life. Additionally, Kalpana maintained close connections with her friends from Punjab Engineering College, PEC. Even when she was far away, she regularly exchanged letters and messages with her classmates. Her humility and genuine interest in their lives demonstrated her commitment to these lasting relationships. This loyalty extended to her family as well. Despite coming from a conservative background and sometimes having to make decisions that went against her family's initial expectations, she maintained a strong emotional bond with them, always ensuring that they felt included in her journey. 2. Describe how Kalpana Chawla was always able to convince her conservative family about her decisions. Point out specific instances. Answer. Kalpana Chawla's ability to convince her conservative family about her unconventional life choices stemmed from her persistence, clarity of purpose, and the respect she showed toward her family's concerns. Growing up in a traditional household in Karnal, Haryana, Kalpana faced resistance to her aspirations, especially as her ambitions were unconventional for a girl in her community. One prominent instance was her decision to study aerospace engineering. Her family initially opposed the idea of her pursuing aeronautical engineering, considering it a male-dominated field and not a practical choice for a woman. However, Kalpana's passion and determination won them over. She patiently explained her love for aeroplanes and her desire to explore the field, eventually earning their support to study at Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh. Another critical moment was when Kalpana decided to move to the United States to pursue higher education in aerospace engineering. The idea of her living so far away from home was daunting for her family, but she once again demonstrated her ability to reassure them. She carefully articulated her reasons for wanting to study abroad and emphasized how it would help her achieve her dreams. Her confidence and clarity helped her family see the value of her decision, and they ultimately supported her move. Throughout her life, Kalpana continued to bridge the gap between her modern aspirations and her family's traditional outlook. She did this by maintaining close ties with them, respecting their concerns, and ensuring they felt connected to her achievements. This ability to balance her dreams with her family's expectations was a testament to her emotional intelligence and strong interpersonal skills. 3. Kalpana Chawla was a rare combination of a brilliant mind and an intensely humane spirit. Discuss. Answer. Kalpana Chawla's life exemplifies the fusion of intellectual brilliance and deep humanity. Her academic and professional achievements showcased her exceptional intellect, while her humility, compassion, and commitment to inspiring others revealed her profoundly humane nature. Kalpana's academic journey began with her passion for aerospace engineering, a field in which she excelled despite being one of the few women pursuing it at the time. Her brilliance shone through her achievements, from earning her degree at Punjab Engineering College to obtaining advanced degrees from the United States. Her work at NASA further highlighted her intellectual capabilities. She conducted cutting-edge research on aerodynamics, fluid dynamics, and the impact of microgravity, contributing significantly to space exploration. However, it was Kalpana's humane spirit that truly set her apart. She was deeply committed to inspiring the next generation, especially young girls, to dream big. She initiated programs to connect Indian students with NASA, providing them with opportunities to explore careers in science and technology. She believed in breaking barriers and empowering women to excel in fields traditionally dominated by men. Her compassion extended beyond her professional life. Kalpana remained deeply connected to her family and friends, never allowing her success to create distance between her and her roots. She also had an artistic side, pursuing hobbies like dancing and music, which reflected her appreciation for beauty and culture. Kalpana's life was a testament to the harmonious blend of intellectual excellence and a kind, empathetic soul. She not only achieved greatness but also touched the lives of countless individuals through her inspiring journey, leaving behind a legacy of brilliance and humanity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WebSeek Academy for more English lessons and notes. See you in the next video. Until then, keep reading, keep leading.